Who should have overall responsibility of the integrated risk management between a contracted CAMO in one country and an AOC in the other? So whenever we talk about AOCs and operators, they're always sitting at the top of the safety tree. And they are looking to the various, let's say, interested parties as stakeholders in that process. So if I'm an AOC and you're a CAMO and you're a contracted CAMO, I'm looking to you to support my safety management. So I'm looking for data and information from you. That doesn't mean that you're working in, how to say it, that you're working in my CAMO SMS. You're not. You're independent, but we need to have communication and dialogue. And so as an auditor, I would be looking at what is the nature of the communication process. So what is the documented process to communicate safety issues between the CAMO and the operator, between the CAMO and the 145? How does it work? Where do you get together? What information do you share? Who is managing this? And it's the safety manager that is essentially managing this process, but the CAMO manager and the accountable manager should also be stakeholders on both sides. Means the 145, the operator. So are you saying that there should be a meeting of the operator, the CAMO, and the 145 quality managers and safety managers? And I'd say, yeah, it's perfect. Not to lose time. Maybe you can do it online, but yeah, periodically, if we could get together for 2 hours, once every 3 months, we can do a huge amount of positive in that. And you know, the days have gone where we have to travel somewhere. We can do it on Zoom or Teams, and that would be an ideal way of communicating, because it's only by understanding the challenges and the problems that we can come up with some potential solutions that we can consider. And as we say, talking about data and understanding so people know what's expected or obligated.